Hello everyone, my name is Loresa A. Cabangisan. I am a grade 8 mathematics teacher in Kitubao High School. At this point, we will learn how to factor general trinomial. So these are our objectives. First, determine the expression as trinomial or not. Second, finding a factor of a trinomial. Third, show appreciation to the importance of factoring a trinomial.
To start, let us first review about factoring perfect squares trinomial. So given the example 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 can give its factor. So the answer is quantity of 2x minus 3 to the power of 2. Since that the factor of the first term is quantity of 2x to the power of 2 and the last term is 3 squared and the sum of the middle term is negative. So therefore, the factored form is quantity of 2x minus 3 to the power of 2. Now, who can recall how to factor perfect square trinomial? So to factor perfect square trinomials, first, get the square root of the first term and the last term. Second, list down the square root as the sum or difference of two terms as the case may be. Let us proceed to our topic, factoring general trinomials. Here are the examples of a trinomial that are not perfect square. First, 5x squared minus 7x plus 6. Second, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. And last, 2x squared minus 7x plus 5. In order to factor this kind of trinomials, first, factor the leading term of the trinomial and write these factors as the leading terms of the factors. Second, list down all the factors of the last term. Third, identify which factor pairs sum up to the numerical coefficient of the middle term. Then, write each factor in the pairs as the last term of the binomial factors. Before we find the factors of a trinomial, let us first determine if the given polynomial is a trinomial or not. Number 1. X squared plus 6x minus 40. Trinomial. Number 2. 3a minus a squared. Not. Number 3. 5x squared y cubed. Not. Number 4. 2x squared plus 4x minus 2. Trinomial. Number 5. 4a squared b cubed c plus 5. Not. In factoring trinomials, we can utilize trial and error. Just like for example, 6z squared minus 5z minus 6. First, we should give all the factors of the first term and the last term. The factors of the first term are 3z and 2z, and 6z and z. While the factors of the last term are 3, negative 2, negative 3, positive 2, 1, negative 6, and negative 1, positive 6. Using the factors of the first term and the last term, we can write all possible factors using the values. And let us determine the middle term by multiplying the factors. We can see the given factors, quantity of 3z plus 2 and the quantity of 2z minus 3 gives the sum of negative 5z. Therefore, they are the factors of the trinomial 6z squared minus 5z minus 6. In order to understand further, I will give you this trinomial and I want you to find the factors of it. 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. So, what is your answer? Okay, the answer is quantity of x minus 4 and the quantity of 2x minus 3. Let's try to fill in the following statement. What is the answer in the box? 4. Another one. What is the answer in the first box? 4. Second box. Another 4. And now, let us factor the trinomial 6x squared minus 5xy plus y squared. The factors are quantity of 3x minus y and the quantity of 2x minus y. Do the next activity entitled Why Was the Pail Pale?, which you can apply the concepts of factoring trinomials. What statement did you form? Who can recall how will you factor a trinomial?
Let's have a factor bingo game. On a clean sheet of paper, draw a 3x3 square grid and mark the center as factor. Pick 8 different factors from the table below and write them in the grid. The teacher reads the trinomial and the learner locates its factor and mark them X. The first one who makes the X pattern wins. Trinomial number 1. N squared minus n minus 42. Trinomial number 2. N squared plus 10n plus 24. Trinomial number 3. N squared minus 4n minus 32. Trinomial number 4. N squared plus 9n plus 8. Who got the pattern X? In a 1/4 sheet of paper, answer the following question.